Hi, thanks for joining me. It's Christine Crutcher from Create with Christine. I'm here with another Tuesday tip video tutorial. My project today is a mini pizza box, and I actually made it for a creative challenge that I am participating in this week for a Easter 3D project. So the stamp set I'm using is the Hello Easter stamp set from the 2018 Occasions catalog. And I'm just using the little bunny right here and then the Happy Easter greeting. So I'm going to get rid of the stamp set. For my video today, I actually wanted to focus on using designer series paper when you are making a project. For this project, I had been designing with the Sweet Soiree Specialty Designer Series paper, and I noticed how the pattern with the dots kind of reminded me of Easter eggs. So of course when I got this challenge in my inbox, I knew exactly which paper to go to. So I used my paper to start, and then the colors from the paper to guide me. So the colors in this particular piece of paper were Marina Mist for the blue, Old Olive for the green, and Daffodil Delight for the yellow. So once I had that as my jumping off point, I could pick out my Daffodil Delight ribbon. My tricky part was finding the stamp set, the colors for the bunny and for the sentiment, because I didn't want to take away, but I thought kind of making a blue bunny might be a little weird, so I went with the smoky slate color for the stamped images because it's a nice neutral color and doesn't take away from the balance going on here. So I do have another video that shows you how to put together the mini pizza box, but I'm just going to show you really quick how I decorated this because this is my favorite way to use these, because this is a belly band and it slides right off. Then you can get into the treat inside, and that's what it's all about, right? Getting into the treat inside. So let's do our stamping first. I have the bunny, and I cut out a Whisper White circle from the Circle Framelits die. And we're just going to stamp with the Smoky Slate ink. So go ahead and ink that up. Because it's totally photopolymer and see-through, I can see. And then stamp and press and hold for a couple seconds. So there's my bunny. And for the Happy Easter, this is just a piece of scrap paper, Whisper White. It measures 1 by 4 inches. I have my Happy Easter stamp. I'm going to kind of go towards the left because what I did here is I want a banner on the edge. So I made that banner with the triple banner punch. So this is the triple banner punch. I'm just going to unlock and put the edge away from the stamped image in. And I'm going to kind of flip it over and kind of give it a check to make sure it's in the middle, and then punch out. And this gives a banner. There you go. So I did go ahead and put together the mini pizza box. They come flat, and you just want to fold the edges in to make your box. This is my piece of designer series paper. It measures 2 3/4 inches by 10.5 inches. And I'm just gonna flip over to the back, and I don't want it too tight because I want it to be able to slide off. So I'm just gonna pinch it in the back. So I didn't score the paper, I'm just pinching to kind of get it where I want it. And then I'll add a little bit of snail adhesive and line that up. And now the box, the belly band is on, but I can still slide it off to get inside. So you don't want it too tight because you want the recipient to be able to slide it off. And now I'm ready to add my ribbon. This is the 1/4 inch double stitched Daffodil Delight ribbon. It measures 22 inches around. And I'm just going to wrap it around and tie it in a nice bow in the front. Try to get my tails about the same length and make my bow. I'll just do the 2 loops and then tie them together. Then I can hold the knot in the middle to make it look pretty. Kind of put the knot where I want it. This little white piece is going to get attached to a daffodil scallop circle, also from the circle framelits. I'm just going to add a little bit of fast fuse right to the middle. And you can put fast fuse, or you could use dimensionals to add this over the ribbon. But just place it like so. And then I'm ready to add my banner. So that is my project for today. A little decorated pizza box. Easter's coming quick. It's less than a month away at this point. So that just gives you an idea for your Easter projects. If you comment, like, or share this post by Monday, March 12th at midnight Eastern, you'll have a chance to win my giveaway, which is all the supplies to make this project minus the stamp set and the ink. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll be back again next week with another Tuesday Tip video tutorial.